new game called Late Night Map. So, for sure mag-enjoy ako sa game na to. Or not. Medyo spooky siya, I guess. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna turn out. Ayan. Sakit sa tenga.
Hey, sorry for calling you so late, but would you mind going by the house and do a quick cleanup?
No.
I made a bit of a mess and I need the house cleaned as I have some guests coming over in the morning. Okay, thank you.
I'd rather not. At least I'm being paid. Oh my god, di ko gusto yung atmosphere. Clean up, clean up. What the fuck? Apakalakas ng music. Mababa ko yung sensitivity ko. Medyo mataas siya actually. So, ito yung mga task ko. Bathroom, living room. Okay. Unahin ko na yung bathroom. Here we go. Hindi ko gusto yung ganyang klaseng bathroom. Yung may ganyang klaseng curtain. Kapaka-creepy kaya. I'm gonna close it. Can I close this? No. So, tapos na ako sa hallway and sa bathroom. Living room naman. Lock pa yung office key. What? Hello? Napakadami naman ng bahay na to. May nag-party ba dito? Parang nagkaroon ng homeless shelter. And if someone asked me to clean their house, I'm not gonna do it. Hello? Actually, feel ko parang mas worse pa siya dun sa last time na nilaro ko. Ang creepy. Hello? Kalat pa ba dito? Okay. Okay, tapos na ako sa living room. Kitchen. Hello? Oh my god, this is spooky. Hindi ako mapakala, feel ko lagi merong nasa likod ko. Feel ko may nakatingin sa akin. What? Hello? Pwede ba ako umalis na lang? I'm not being paid, right? By doing this. Grab it. Grab it. Dami ng... hello? Okay, hallway, office, master bedroom. Anong area to? What? Wait, saan ko itatapon to? Hello? Di ako nag-iisa dito. Hallway, office. Sana man lang lagyan nila ng malapit na bus. My God. Please. Stop. Paka-haunted naman ng bahay nito. Door is locked. Required bedroom key. And saan ko naman kukunin yung key? Oh, hell yeah. Office key. What the fuck? Hello? Hello? Ang creepy niya. Friendly? Fine. Meron akong weapon by the way. I have a map bar. Apakakalat. Diba parang mas better kung umalis na lang ako sa house nito? Well, office key to? I mean office area to. Dumi ah. Bro. Hello. Piece of shit. Okay, master bedroom and bathroom na lang. I'm almost done. I'm almost done, ba? Lakas sa jump scare, gabi. Saan ka na? Mas worse pa to sa room ko eh. May basurahan ba dito? There is. Kung pwede ko lang hinaan yung sound, napakalakas niya sa tenga ko. Kakarinde. Hello? Any jump scare? Now? Hello? Hello? Master bathroom na lang. Last area. What the hell? Do I need to clean this? Hello? Fine. I got you, homie. Kung sino man yung minurder mo. Oh hell yeah, it's done. I'm going home. Goodbye. See ya. See ya. I've done my job. You're not gonna follow me, right? I'm just doing my job. Alam ko may jump scare dito. Please. Please, don't jump scare me, please. I'm going home. I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'd rather not. I'd rather not. Goodbye.
Hey, thank you so much for cleaning the house. I really appreciate it. Although you did break a very special and very expensive antique and left all the pieces for me to clean, so I'll be deducting that from your payment. So yeah,
Man, I don't give a
thanks for
frick.
that.
Napaka-haunted ng bahay mo, never again. Hell yeah, it's done. Okay. Meron pa ba? Yay, it's done! Once again, thank you for watching. Although I don't have an audience yet, still thank you for reaching the end. And that's it. That's the video. That is all about. It's about cleaning and spooky stuff.